Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. All right, so I believe we are up and running, and I really hope that the sound is working. Families, thank you for bearing with us. We want to thank you for streaming with us live at home or at work, wherever it is that you are with your mobile devices, or your tablets, or even on the computer. Just want to thank you for joining us today. This is our first live stream. We have Facebook, so we are extremely excited. I gotta be honest, I am extremely nervous though. I'm hoping that the sound works. So the second marking period is extremely challenging. So I tell families all the time, it's challenging because our second marking period starts in the month of November, and it goes through. So we have Thanksgiving break, and then we have our winter break in December. So it's very, very hard for our students to really stay focused. So kudos to all of you because you are working hard day in and day out. With that being said, for those of you who don't know, I should probably introduce myself. I am Mr. Romano, one of the assistant principals here at Claremont, and I'm going to be turning the microphone over to Mrs. Tomasetti, one of our para-educators who will MC this event.
I'm going to call out the teachers one at a time, and we'll do the class awards one at a time, just so that you parents at home know, if you didn't, that it is tutus, tiaras, and ties day, in case you're wondering why we're all dressed like this. All right, so the first class that we will call up is Mrs. Cooper and Mr. Harrison's class. So I would like to introduce you to Mrs. Cooper and Mr. Harrison.
We are going to start with our Star Student Award. So our first Star Student is Anna Muhammad. Come on up, Anna. Our next Star Student is Colin Brown. Our Language Arts Award goes to Claude Bala. Claude. And our Math Award goes to Nevaeh Miller. Our Science Award goes to Sire Shepherd-Spence. And our Social Studies Award goes to Brian Simpson.
Congratulations, Mrs. Cooper's class. The next class I would like to call up is Mrs. Rolla and Mr. Harrison's class.
All right, so for our class, the Star Student Awards go to Sophia Taylor and Jair Thomas. Come on up. Language Arts Award goes to Allison Kennedy. For math, the award goes to Aishi Adenaya. The Science Award goes to Elliot Crew. And for Social Studies, we have Caden Bright.
Congratulations to Mrs. Roland's class. Our next class that we're calling up will be Mrs. Washington's class.
Our star students for the second period are Genesis Garcia Rosari and Kamara El Said. Guys. For our Language Arts Award, we have Akshira Omar. For our Math Award, we have Hasini Varanasi. Going to a new school. For Science, we have Sarah Gasparano. Sarah. No. No. Sarah Gasparano. And for Social Studies, we have Ryan.
And our next two classes we are going to call up together, Senora Smith and Mrs. Townsend's class.
Okay, we're gonna start with, the blue group, okay? For start student, we have Naomi, she went home, and Helena. For language arts, we have Isabella Lopez Aguilar. For math, we have Alessandra Goldstein. students, we have Mila Iliano. Social Studies, Lily Ann Vergara. And for Español, Genesis. Okay, for the green group, for star student, we have Mario and Isa. Next is language arts. We have Ronald. And for math, Alexis Lopez. For science, Haley. And for social studies, Alexis Salinas, and he's not here. And for Spanish, Español, Sofía Quiroga.
All right, congratulations to all of our students, our star students, our award winners. Right now, we are going to give the awards for the specialists. So the specialists each picked a class that has gone above and beyond and done such a wonderful job in that special. So I'd like to ask the teachers if you would pick one student to come up to get your award. And the SEED award goes to Senora Smith's class. And the art award, these kids are super artists, goes to Mrs. Washington's class. And the library award, these are kids who work really hard in library on the Chromebooks and reading, goes to Mrs. Rulon's class. And our music award goes to Mrs. Townsend's class. one more award, and that is the gym award. These kids can run. Woo! There you go. This award goes to Mrs. Cooper's class. Congratulations to all of our classes. And thank you all for tuning in at home. Hopefully you could hear us and see us, and we appreciate your being on our live Zoom. If you haven't already liked our YouTube page, we would appreciate it because our live Zoom apparently gets better and better the more likes we have, so share that with your friends and family. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you all very much. Have a great day.